High winds have already caused a bunch of problems today. Trees have been coming down, as we showed you at the top of the newscast. This is happening all over the Bay Area. One part of the Bay Area being impacted the most from this is the Peninsula, and the storm is really hitting hard.
ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns is live in Redwood City for us with a look at conditions there. Tim?
Yeah, Larry, Kristen, I got to tell you, up until about an hour or so ago, the rain was kind of on and off for most of the day here on the peninsula. That has obviously changed, as you could see. But I can also tell you those winds have been very strong since this morning, from the coastal areas all the way to right here near the bay itself. Rain falling throughout the peninsula Wednesday as the first in a series of storms makes its way into the Bay Area. Ahead of the wet weather, PG&E says they spent the last few days getting ready and pre-positioning crews.
So we are flexible as well. We make sure that we have crews that can move to other locations if needed. We have equipment stockpiled at all of our yards throughout our service area of Northern and Central California.
Spokesperson Tamar Sarkeesian says while the utility company's team of meteorologists track the rain in our area, it's actually the winds that can cause the most damage. Along the San Mateo County coast, the gusts were strong throughout most of the day.
When we see things like debris that flies through the air that can make contact with our lines, or even things like vegetation, branches, or even healthy trees that come down because of these very powerful winds, that's when we really start to see the outages.
In Menlo Park, those strong winds knocked down several trees onto two homes in a residential area. One tree lying across the roof of one of the houses. Next door, another tree hitting the garage and nearby cars.
The standard recommendations of stay away from down trees, down power lines. More things can come down and you never know what's still active out there.
Menlo Park Fire Captain Brett Bates says it's important for people to take extra precautions over the coming hours. Besides the potential for more downed trees, he says flooding is also something people should look out for.
Turn around, don't go through it, follow any signage that you see, and you just don't know what's under there. If the road's been washed away, how deep the water is, how fast it's moving, even though it looks calm on the top.
Now, the National Weather Service has issued a high wind advisory for this entire area. That is expected to remain in effect until tomorrow morning. I'm live in Redwood City. Tim Johns, ABC 7 News.